Hello guys, in this video I am teaching about how to make computer VBA software. First open the Excel file, let it open and then, fill the complete party creation form. Then open the item menu, and add the accessories that you want like keyboard, mouse, RAM and etc. Then click the Save button to save it. Then click the Sale to make the bill for your customer. First select the party name, art number, item name, and write the pieces in the unit section, and then write quantity that how much he bought from us, and then write the price of the things. And click the Add button, then it will automatically show the complete bill of the customer. You can add more items in it. And see, it will automatically calculate the total amount. And if you want to add discount, or GST tax, or round off, you can easily do it. Then press the Save button to save your invoice. And if you want to search any of your invoice, you can search it by enter bill number or invoice number. Also, if you want to save it, or print it out, you can open it into PDF. And if you click the ledger, it will save all the bill you have on your PC desktop. And if you click the stock print, it will show the total stock of your shop. Also, if you click the sale print, it will save the desktop in monthly wise or daily wise. In party creation, you can change the country name from the Excel sheet. If you want to change the shop name, address, mobile number, you can change it from company section. If you want to download the computer billing software, I will provide it very soon. So that's it for today. If you like this video helpful, please subscribe and hit the like button. See you in another video.